Hello, this is Bob Scribner from Needham Needham. And what we're doing here is we're installing two soffit vents. What we do is we're staging up. You can see it's not coming in very well here. It's just too gray out there. It doesn't want to come in. But at the soffit, we're cutting a 2-inch hole in there. So we put a screen over. That allows the air to come in, go under your roof, and go out the ridge vent. Our guy Mark hasn't been leaded up yet. We just got it yesterday. We have the new racks on it, and we'll get leaded up with the Sprague logo. So you'll be seeing that driving around your town soon. I just want to give you an idea of our truck fleet. Enjoy the day.